So this is my first video in a while. We've been moving house, so everything's been a bit chaotic. So anyway, I thought it's time I've done another video, another S&M bike, and also it's my last S&M bike. It's also the first one I ever bought. This is my S&M ETF. I actually bought this second-hand, with the frame I bought second-hand from my mate Colin. I was getting back into riding and I narrowed it down to a choice of two bikes or two frames, and that was the S&M ATF and a BSD passenger. In the end it come down to price, so the passenger ended up, there was a big sale on BSD parts, and the BSD ended up working out a lot cheaper than the ATF frame, so that's why I went with the BSD passenger, which I didn't regret because it's an absolutely brilliant bike, which I will do a check on that soon as well. But I still had this niggling thing that I wanted a S&M. There's my little one, she's helping. I really wanted an S&M ATF, and then my friend Colin, he had a S&M ATF frame for sale. I shouldn't have bought it, I didn't need it, so I went ahead and bought it. And here you go. So let's do a bike check. The obvious thing, the frame. S&M ATF in black. I don't know if it's been powder coated at some point, but it was black when I got it. I thought about changing the colour, but I think I made it look pretty good with the black and the sand colour tyres, etc., and the chocolate pedals, etc. I think it really looks good. And Colin also had the S&M badge on the head tube. I love a head badge. I hate it when it's just a sticker. I just feel like this is a little bit more effort when there's a badge on the front. So there you go. A few parts have changed since when I first built it up, because I built up my, I think it was the REA or the LAMF, I swapped a few parts with, so I ended up buying a few more parts for this to build this up again, because the plan was I was just going to keep this as a frame and display it on the wall or what have you, but then, well, get carried away, I feel sorry for it and I want to build it up again, so that's what I've done. We're going to go down to the faults. I've got some Odyssey R32s. Really like these. Look good, seem strong, well happy with them. I did want some S&M faults, but here in the UK they're really expensive. And I have got a couple of pairs of S&M faults anyway on the Steel Panther and the LAMF. Yeah, the LAMF. So anyway, running the Odyssey R32s. Going to go up. I've got the BSD Seren's helping, a little helper today. So you've got the BSD headset running into the Credence stem. So I did have a Challenger stem on here, I think, and then I saw the Dark Roast Credence stem on sale. Might have been from Custom Riders, I can't remember. I just thought that looked good on this, so I bought that, and the black stem went on the LAMF, I think, and it looks really good. So there you go, Credence stem run into Hoda bars. Really wanted these because I think he's one of my favourite riders, so I wanted to get some Hoda bars on here. They're 9-inch rise, that's right, 9-inch rise, which I find okay. I've got 9.5, I believe, on the REA. I'm not used to them yet. I find them just a little bit too high because I'm so used to 9 max. So yeah, anyway, these look really nice. For a bit of comfort, I've got the BSD. Damn, these don't know what ones are these. I can't remember what ones these are. Anyway, BSD grips, some of my favourites. They're really comfortable. We're going to go down to, got a long BSD seat post, and on top of that, I love this seat. This is BSD Safari seat, which I really think sets this bike off. Really, really nice. There you go, little giraffe for you. Going down to the drivetrain, I've got BSD cranks, BSD sprocket, 28 tooth, BSD pedals. These are some of my favourite, the BSD Safari reed stock pedals. Super comfy, really grippy. BSD chain. Then running into the, I've got the, see it pretty dusty because it's not been used for a while, what with the move and everything. So I've got the, I bought the BSD complete wheels. These are the Mind Pro wheels, if I remember correctly. So basically it's the NASA rim. I've got a free coaster on here, which I can't really get used to. So it's the West Coaster hub on the back. On the front, same rim, and we've got the Street Pro hub on the front. And I'm running the Donna Street tyres, which are superb. 2.4 width, really happy with them. I've got them on my passenger, this one, have I got them on my LAMF? Anyway, really, really good tyres. And also running the Odyssey Evo brake, which I've got on all my bikes. Really happy with them, so that's kind of what I stuck with. And there you go. You're right, hang on a minute. Someone wants a crash helmet off. There you go. Quick bike check. Let's get a video up, and I thought you might be interested in this one. I think I've covered everything on it. But yeah, love this bike, love the look of it. It will be my last S&M of mine on the channel. I don't plan on getting any more. I've got 4, I think that's enough. Obviously it's not really enough. Never say never, but for a while, what with a house. Siren! And there we go. So I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments if you like this one. She hasn't destroyed it, so unfortunately I can't get another S&M. You know, maybe one day. Anyway, yeah, hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you like about it. And then soon I'll feature another bike check. But it won't be an S&M. I've got a BSD, I've got a GT, 2 GTs, and still, I keep saying it, I will get some videos riding at some point, but at the moment I'm uber rusty, can't hardly do a thing, but I will get there and hopefully get out and start riding properly. Anyway, hope you enjoyed, let me know. Take care, bye. Come on in, show me a trick. Wow, and again, and again. Yes, fist bump. Good girl.